So
Is that
classic
even a
Caillou.
question you should be asking?
Jesus. I am sorry. Because it's almost Thanksgiving break. And we only have 3 days of school before we are on break. Anyways, I am going to the car.
Man. I don't want to go to school. It sucks. Even if we have 3 days. It's not enough. What should I do? I have no ideas. Anyways, I will go to school now.
Okay class. Today we are going to do a behavior card day. Yellow means you get to have 2 weeks off. The green card means you have 1 week off. The blue card means you get to have 3 days off. The cyan card means you get to have the rest of the day off. The white card means nothing happens. The orange card means you get detention for 30 minutes. The gray card means you get 1 hour and 30 minutes detention. And the red card means you get suspended for 3 weeks. Now come up to get your card.
Yay. I got the yellow card. And it matches my shirt.
Great job, Caillou. You get 2 weeks off. Go to the office to receive your reward.
Yay! I got the green card.
That's right, Lincoln. You get 1 week off for being good most of the time. Go to the office to receive your reward.
Yay, I got the blue card.
That's right, Fat Noise 9. You have been eating a lot less and that's good. But aside from your reward, you get 5 free burger meals from McDonald's.
Yay, 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 yay. Free burgers.
Yay. I got the cyan card.
That's right, Caillou Perky Shits. You are a great mod and gonna mate central. Go to the office to receive your reward.
Okay. I got the white card. Is this good?
Kinda. But you will get some candy from the principal.
Okay then. Miss Martin.
Oh no. I got the orange card.
Well, you should have not whined in class. Go to the principal's office right now.
Oh no. I got the gray card.
Ugh. I don't want to talk to you.
Oh. I got the red card. Can I have a second chance?
No. Classic Caillou. You got the red card because you do a lot of bad things and you deserve to get suspended. Go to the office. Now.
Man. I can't believe I got the red card and I have to go to the principal's office. My parents are gonna kill me after they see my card. Wait. What is that? Oh, I will pull the fire alarm again. I can pull the fire alarm. That way, I can get revenge on the school. Ha 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 ha. Oh crap. I need to get out of the school. Oh. Hey Dad.
Wait. Classic Caillou. What are you doing here? Isn't school still going on?
Oh. I got sent home early for something. It's not really important.
Oh. Okay then. Oh. It's my phone. Oh. It's the school. Let's see what they want. Hello. This is Boris Anderson speaking. What do you need?
Hello Boris Anderson. I wanted to talk to you that classic Caillou pulled the fire alarm again and escaped from the school and got a red card from behavior card day.
What? Is this true? Are you lying?
I wish I was. But it's the truth. He is suspended for 7 weeks instead of 3. You need to punish him.
Thanks for telling me this info. He will get the mega grounding. Classic Caillou. Come downstairs now.
Ah. Yes, Dad.
Classic Caillou, how dare you pull the fire alarm again and get a red card. That's it. You will get the mega grounding.
Aren't you gonna say something?
You're gay.
Oh no. I am actually grounded. Ugh. Whatever. That's the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe and get Paper Mario Fan to 7,000 subscribers. Have a nice day, I guess.